Now that you know Brazil is a very diversified and multicultural country, we can start talking about its foods and drinks. As it is for most of the topics, each region of Brazil features different flavors from one another. But of course you can find a typical food or drink from one place in the other ones. Let's start describing the most known foods and drinks of each part of the country. Let's start with the North region. There you can find typical fruits like açaí and guaraná. The guaraná is used to make a special and unique Brazilian soda, almost impossible to find in other countries. You can also find a lot of fish-made dishes. In this region, it's common to eat some roots like mandioca, macaxeira, and inhame. In the Midwest region, you can find a typical drink called tererê. It's also possible to find dishes like galinhada, empadão goiano, and vaca atolada. The vaca atolada is made of ribs and potatoes, and it looks a lot like goulash. The South region has a drink that you can only find there. It's called chimarrão, and it's made with the mate herb. The people from South have the habit to drink it all day long. Besides that, their barbecues are really famous. Also, the carreteiro rice and the fruit pinhão can be found in this part of Brazil. In the southeast region, it is possible to find traditional snacks, like mortadela, sandwich, and cocada. If you want to gain a little weight, you should go to Minas Gerais. There you can find pão de queijo, doce de leite, queijo mineiro, and other milk-made foods. Minas Gerais also possesses the best cachaça, which is an alcoholic drink typical from Brazil. Other known foods from the southeast are doce de abóbora, feijão tropeiro, and tutu. The northeast region is the richest region when it comes to the Brazilian cuisine. The variety is huge, and most of the dishes are made of corn. Some traditional dishes are cuscuz, pamonha, and canjica. The shrimp is also very present in the Northeast cuisine, with dishes such as bobó de camarão, caruru, vatapá, and acarajé. We can't forget to mention tapioca, which can be eaten salty or sweet, and can be easily found in the beaches through all the seaside of the region. Despite the differences present in each region's cuisine, Brazil has a lot of foods and drinks that are equally common all over the country. The most traditional lunch dish in Brazil is feijão com arroz, which means beans with rice. It is also common to find farofa, paçoca, castanha de caju, and sucos de frutas, which are juices made directly from different kinds of fruit, not from their pulps. When it comes to snacks, Brazil has different options like coxinha, brigadeiro, pastel, and caldo de cana. A very typical and refreshing drink is the coconut water, which is usually drank directly from the coconut. To summarize, Brazil doesn't have a special flavor on its foods. Our foods are not very spicy, not very sweet or salty. It's just that special Brazilian taste. The differences between the 5 regions make our cuisine much more diverse and rich. We strongly recommend you to go to Brazil and taste all these delicious foods and drinks.
E como não poderia deixar de ser, a gente trouxe o orgulho nacional brigadeiro.
Inflated balls.
It's a chocolate ball.
They look like little poops. They're so good.
These are microwaved.
Just tastes like hot chocolate.
But it does look like poop.
Well,
Poop, poop.
that microwave was on point.